Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And the topic is what is bandwidth? So, bandwidth refers to the maximum data transfer rate of a network or internet connection. So, it represents the amount of data that can be transmitted over a network link in a given period, usually measured in bits per second, kilobits per second, megabits per second, or gigabits per second. Let us assume I have two different systems and I'm forwarding any amount of data in between these two. So, how I will check the data transfer rate? So, data transfer rate in between any devices can be measured in the form of bandwidth. Okay, so let us give some example about that. Okay, let us assume this is my office in which I'm using the internet, and internet is taken from the ISP. So the total bandwidth is showing is 100 Mbps. This is my data transfer rate. 100 megabits per second is my bandwidth. That is means in a particular 1 second, the total data transfer can be 1 megabits. Okay, let's further discuss about this. So here we got a cable from which I am forwarding some data. So we have forwarded total bits are 5, 10110 within 1 second. So my bandwidth will be total bits are 5 forwarded in first 1 second. So the total bandwidth will be 5 bits per second. Okay. Let's further discuss about the units of bandwidth. So least unit is bits per second. That is means if we are forwarding 100 bits in every second, so the data bits will be 100 bits per second transmitted per second. 100 bits per second will be the unit. Okay, that is means amount transferred through a cable. So what is the meaning of bits per second? That it means how many bits will be forwarded through a particular cable within a 1 second of duration. Okay. Example 100 bits per second means forwarding 100 bits of data per second. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of kilobits? Kilobits means 1000 bits of data per second. So how many thousand bits forwarded per second? Like I'm saying that 2 kbps. So 2 kbps is equal to 2000 bits per second. What about the megabits per second? So if the total uh, megabits means 1000 kb per second, that is means 1000 kb forwarded per second. If I'm saying 2 Mbps of data, that is means 2000 kilobits per second. Okay, let's talk about the gigabits per second. So gigabits is equal to 1000 megabits. So 1 gigabit is equal to 1000 megabit. Okay, so there are multiple types of bandwidth. Do we have network bandwidth, internet bandwidth, and digital bandwidths? So network bandwidth means the capacity of a network connection to transfer the data in local area network. Well, internet bandwidth here refers to the wide area network, and digital bandwidth refers to the signal processing with a range of specific frequency used by the different bands. Okay, so let us discuss about how the bandwidth affected. So first one is network congestion. That is means more numbers of users are using or sharing the internet at the same time. Physical limitation like types of cable, fiber optic versus copper. So copper and fiber optics. Okay, so fiber optic is really having the high speed as compared to copper cables. Okay, what about the latency and packet loss? So high latency reduces the effective battery. That is means if latency will be high, the bandwidth will be slowed down. Okay. Network protocol, some protocol consuming more bandwidth. So on the behalf of that, your bandwidth can be affected because of that. Okay. Now, how we can practically observe the total bandwidth of my computer system. So this computer is connected to the internet. So by some internet sources, we can check. So you have to go to speedtest.net. On this website, you can check the total speed or bandwidth of the internet. So click on go. It will start measuring your data. Okay. Well, it will show the data in Mbps, megabits per second. So here we can see that is 41 Mbps. We have a 40 Mbps of bandwidth for the uplink because it will show upload and download separately. So we have seen 40 Mbps of data can be the downloadable bandwidth and uploading bandwidth is approximate 40 Mbps. So that is mean this plan is only 40 Mbps of plan provided by the Airtel India. Okay. So that is all about the bandwidth. Have a nice day.